Tonight we are here for the quarterly Master Your Time Breakthrough, and I am super excited to share some brand new content with you.
Abigail's session was fantastic. It showed exactly what I need to do next year in order to refine my everyday diary.
5 steps to become the master of your time. Time management is not rocket science.
Well, today I've actually realised how much time I waste doing sort of very menial tasks, and I seem to lose so much of my day without actually realising it really.
What I've taken away from this evening is to actually, put things into perspective and to get things started and get things done. We don't need to wait until we are the best. We need to just make a start and we can figure it out along the way.
You're never going to look this good, know this much, be this healthy as you are today. So why not start today?
The 8-8-8 formula was amazing. That when you have 8 hours of rest, 8 hours of work and 8 hours of living, if you can narrow it down to what you actually do in those 8 hours, you actually have more free time than you expected.
I'll be able to concentrate and get my work done and actually free myself up to actually spend time with my friends and family.
Everything from now on is all about how can you get more out of every single moment that you've got.
So I would definitely recommend this event to my friends.
Fantastic. She loves what she does.
I would say we all need more time. Go see Abigail.